Sup guys? Did I like leave a 3-second outer? Soldier, stop licking your butt. No. You want to kiss me after that? Gross. Just get. Ugh, he's annoying. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, guys, got something to show you. As you pretty much all know, you might not know. Look at the ducks. You see the ducks? Just a little to the ducks. Oh, okay. I don't know what they're doing right now, but they're doing something. Can you see them? You should be able to see them. You see him now? I think you'll be able to see him now. You can see the ducks, right? They're flapping their wings. Even though they can't fly, they're really stupid. Really stupid. They flap their wings and they can't fly. But yep. Baby clip. Now I can't see anything until I take you somewhere. Yes, I'm aware. This is not a video error. I don't think I told you guys, but I have a pool. And last year it was absolutely disgusting and green and algae. It's gross. But we got it fixed. Trust me. It's really nice. We're also getting our hot tub fixed. And yeah. Pretty cool. But now we're in the super secret recording studio, also known as the man cave. Oh. I'm so weird. Ew. Sorry. Okay, now that's good. Okay, what are we doing here? I don't really know. Nom. Yum. Nom. I have seriously got to stop doing that. Didn't I know you're out there subscribed? Oh, wait, you already have. Weirdo! Stay safe. Nothing from my mouth feels weird. That hurts. Ew, why did I do that? God, my grandpa's gonna kill me. Now there's spit on the camera again. And no, there's not more to life than making fart noises and then laughing at those fart noises. The other day, a few days ago, maybe last week or two ago, my uncle invited over a friend named Danny. My uncle was being weird and took half of a broken super squirter and was waving it back and forth like a fan baton or something. And he said, "Whales, whales sing for me." And Danny's going, "Ooh, ooh." Then in the middle of a really low "Ooh," I go, "Duh!" And Blake says, "What was that?" And I say, "Demented whale." So, this is pretty much one of the shortest videos I've ever recorded. Most of them are like 20, 30 minutes long. Except for that 54-second one that was supposed to be my 30-second video. Didn't work. Peace out.